Hi, my name is Wayne Asafo. In today's class, we're going to be creating a drop list inside Microsoft Excel. Drop list tends to be a time saver, which is it enables you to choose a value from a list instead of typing every time. At this time, I just want us to actually take a look at that. Let's see how we can actually make use of that here inside Excel. So the first step in doing that is I'm going to open my Excel. Then I will go to my recent list and then choose introduction.xlss, which I strongly believe you all have this file. And then at this point, I come about this introduction.xlsx-excel. Then here I've got 3 tabs. That is 3 sheets going on here, but then the one which tends to be the test, I'm going to rename it to drop list. So I'm going to right click on it, go to rename, and then I'm going to type drop list. Then press the enter key on the keyboard. Then as you may recall, cell A1, then I'm going to type regions in Ghana. Then I'm going to press the enter key on the keyboard. Then at this time, I am going to type capital town. Then I'm going to press the enter key again. Then this time I'm going to type region. Then press the tab key on the keyboard to advance to the next cell. Then I'm going to type capital town. Then press the enter key. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these guys over here. That is these 2 cells here. Then merge and center. And then also I'm going to merge and center this cell too. Then at this point, I'm going to actually double click on these guys. I'm going to drag this to this end and then drag this one to this end like so. And at this point, it seems I'm getting something way bigger. But even though this is not the best way for me to work, but I just want to show you something right here. All right, so we have regions and then we have capital town. All right, now at this point, I want my regions to be here, then capital towns here as well. So I'm going to click inside this cell. Then I would navigate to my data tab, very important. Then come to data tools group of the ribbon. At this time, make your way to data validation here. I am on a very low resolution, so that is why it looks just like an icon here. But then in your case, you're going to see very big. So I'm going to click on data validation, and here comes data validation dialog box in front of me. Here I've got validation criteria, which allows you to specify a criteria. And here, the first guy right here, I'm going to click on it and then choose lists, because that is what I want to do. I just want a drop list. Then the source. Now this time I need to type the valid regions in Ghana. So I'm going to actually start by typing Volta, then comma. Remember to separate it with comma, then press the space bar on the keyboard. Then I am actually going to type Ashanti, then press the comma, then space bar, then Central, comma, and then OT, comma, Upper East. So you got the idea. Now at this time, once I am done with that, I'm going to click on the OK button. But if you do want to set an error alert message, should choose a region that is not in the list, then a message should appear. At this time, you should go to the error alert tab right here. Then you're going to choose style. At this point, whether you want to stop warning or information, but then I think I should just leave it set to warning here. Then the title, I'm going to actually type something like not valid. So you got the idea over here. Then this is not a valid region in Ghana. So you got the idea over there. So this is the message and this is the title. I'm going to click on the OK button. At this point, notice I've got a little drop down. So when I click, notice I've got a list over here. The same thing, I'm going to actually come here to the capital town, then go to my data tab, and at this time, data tools. At this time, I was actually here a few minutes ago, so I need to come back to the settings, then come to this allow and then choose list, as you may recall. Then here I am going to type The source, which is Ho, is actually a capital town, then Dambai, then Kumasi, so you got the idea, something like that. Then you continue. And once you are done with that, click on the OK button. Now at this point, if I should come over here and select this cell and click on the drop down arrow, I'm going to get Ashanti. Then when I come over here, I'm going to get Kumasi right here like this. Now let's say when you come down to the next cell, because that cell wasn't selected when you applied data validation, so in this case you have to use your autofill handle to just drag down, and then look, because I choose this, is actually gonna give me a problem. So Control Z on the keyboard, and then I'm going to choose I'm going to come back, Control Z, Control Z. Then at this point, I'm going to drag like this, and then here too, I am going to drag. So once you are done dragging, whenever you click inside, you're going to get the drop list. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to select Volta, then I'm going to come over here, then select Ho, come here, click on the drop down, select OT, come here, click on the drop down, and then select Dambai. And that is how, friends, you take advantage of the data validation right here inside Microsoft Excel. Thank you.